Vechain's massive breakdown move continues to play out after getting rejected at a key area of resistance above the 0.027, and at the time of this recording we have also lost a significant key area of support between the 0.02463 and the 0.0239. And on today's video I will be discussing the key areas of supports that we need to continue holding above, and above all discuss my long-term price prediction analysis, where I still expect we can see more than a 10x in this bull market. And for those of you that might be interested in taking a trade on Vechain, you can check out BitGet, which is my go-to exchange, and all you need to have for you to register for an account is an email address and a password. Alternatively, you can also use your phone number to register for an account. And getting back to the charts, I want to start the video by first giving you a recap of what has been happening here on the Vechain chart from the lows that we made on the 6th of September, where you can see that we saw a very nice bounce to the upside, and we first peaked in this 5-wave structure to the upside, completing the formation of this Elliot wave count 1. Then we saw a bit of a breakdown move in this Elliot wave count 2 into the minimum target areas for the second wave. Then we started a very nice bounce to the upside in a move that I have been terming as an impulsive Elliot wave count 3, whose minimum target areas above the $0.027 we fully maximized. And after we got our high in this Elliot wave count 3, I said to you in my previous videos that I was expecting a bit of a breakdown move in an Elliot wave count 4, whose minimum target areas I gave you by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the second wave to the high of that Elliot wave count 3, giving me a minimum pullback target area into the area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.382, and that area lies between the 0.02461 and the 0.02387, which is an area that we have not fully maximized. And at the time of this recording, you can all see that we have started to overshoot this target area to the lower side, suggesting that whatever we are seeing at the moment is not a breakdown move in an Elliot wave count 4. And because of that, I have an alternative scenario where we can say that from the lows that we made on the 6th of September, we picked in this 1-2 setup. And after seeing that 1-2 setup, whatever is playing out at the moment is another 1-2 setup to the upside, where we can now term this as a wave 1. Then whatever is playing out is a breakdown move in a wave 2. And once we have the low for the second wave, we can easily see a bounce to the upside in an Elliot wave count 3, then expect a wave 4 and then a wave 5 to the upside. And because of that, I need to have new target areas that we need to continue holding, which can be given by connecting the fibs from the lows that we made down here on the 16th of September to that high above the 0.027, giving me a minimum target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78 as the maximum target area for this breakdown move. And this is the area that lies between the 0.02386 and the 0.02207, which is an area that we need to see Vechain continue to hold in the next coming hours. And as long as we continue holding within this area, then we can expect another breakout in the next coming days in a wave 3 that can easily get us back above the $0.03. And on the worst case scenario, in case we continue seeing this breakdown move and maybe at some point we lose the fib level 0.78, then the last line of support above the fib level 0.78, the fib level 0.88, and that is above the 0.02148 needs to continue holding. And if by any chance we lose that key area, then there are high chances that we are going to see a total breakdown move here on the Vechain chart, in a move that is going to invalidate this 1-2 setup to the upside, giving us a reset of the lows that we made on the 16th of September, and on the worst case scenario give us a total breakdown move, giving us a reset of the lows that we made below the 0.01939. So that is the worst case scenario that we need to have in mind. in case we lose key areas of support. Jumping to the daily chart, I still expect that we are going to see more than a 10x in this bull market, where you can see that we got our bear market lows last year and started an impulsive movement to the upside, where we peaked in this Elliot wave count 1, started a breakdown move in an Elliot wave count 2, fully maximizing the minimum target areas for the second wave highlighted here on the charts, and there are very high chances that we have the lows for the second wave in place, and we are also ready for the start of an impulsive Elliot wave count 3 that can easily get us back above the $0.1 in the next coming days. But I need to say that we also need to continue holding above a very key area on the Fibonacci's, which is the Fib level 0.88, and that lies above the 0.01817. In case of any sudden pullbacks in the next coming hours, in case we lose this key area of support over here, then that will be suggesting a more bearish case scenario here on the Vechain chart, in a move that can easily give us a total breakdown move, giving us a reset of the bear market lows that we made last year. So that is a very key area of support that we need to continue holding above, and that is the price action that I'm expecting to play out here on the Vechain chart for the next coming hours and also days. And let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.